In this first look video from InfluenceWP, we are checking out a WordPress plugin called Simple Points and Rewards for WooCommerce. This is going to allow you to easily reward your loyal customers and potential customers that they bring to your doorstep. Before we poke around the website here a bit for this solution and then look at the actual solution together for the first time, just a quick bit of housekeeping. First look videos cover products we have no prior experience with. They show vendors how new users experience their product and website for the very first time. These videos are unedited, high-level introductions that are not paid for, they're not sponsored, and they contain no affiliate links. If you would like videos like this created for your business, go to influencewp.com and get your free partner membership. We thank RelyWP for being a partner. If you like what you see in this video, go over to our website and find the exclusive offer for simple points and rewards for WooCommerce. All right, so the website we are looking at today is RelyWP.com. That's RelyWP.com. Once you're there, go up under the navigation and hover over plugins, and then go ahead and click on that simple points and rewards for Woo link. So what we're going to do next before we go on to look at the actual solution, we're going to highlight all of the features, and then we're going to talk about an about page, a changelog, and documentation. See if all of those pages exist. See how they are, see the quality of each. First, do they exist? What's the quality of each of those? And then we will move on and look at the actual solution together, okay? All right, so first up, we're going to go over the features. And before hitting record, the only thing I did was scroll down the homepage just a bit. And I noticed all the features are listed there, and there are a ton. So we're going to stay extremely high level, and because you guys can read the internet just fine, so we don't need to regurgitate everything, but we'll rattle all the features off at a high level. Okay. All right. Intuitive rewards dashboard for your customers. Offer customers different ways to earn points, whether it's sign up, spending, points for orders, birthdays, reviews. Flexible rewards options for customers to claim, whether it's a voucher, a coupon, a free product, a discount at checkout. Encourage your customer loyalty with levels and badges. Keep track of points with customer points logs. Gain more sales with the Refer a Friend system. You can use a floating widget for your customers to track, claim, and view rewards. There's a gift widget for new referred customers. There's a points redemption tool on checkout. There's quick and easy setup along with powerful customizations and custom condition rules for your rewards. A detailed admin reports and analytics dashboard, customer reports, and last but not least, custom email notifications, automated points expiration, design and color customizations, multi-currency support, automated reward and gift expiration, easy plugin migrations, priority support, and unlimited everything. So there is a lot. Although a plugin might say that it's simple, it doesn't mean it's not powerful. And in this case, it looks like we have a very powerful solution, but we're going to find out together. Next up is the About page. I see a link right here in the navigation, so let's go ahead and check that out. Here we find a bit about the company, and I see a face here, which is Elliot Soursby, the founder. Great gentleman, very generous. We've had numerous conversations, great guy over there. So it's good to see an About page with a little bit about the company, a face, and a name behind the team. So the About page is good. Next up, we are looking for documentation. Where might that be? Let's go ahead and go back to the home page. And let's go back and choose this plugin. All right, so we're looking for some documentation. Let's do a search. All right, here we go. View documentation. I see a search box up here, so that's always nice to see. Let's just go into these reward docs. Let's click into one of them. All right, so we've got screenshots with annotations. Good to see. All right, so I have no reason to believe this isn't good documentation. So let's try the search. Let's do a search for the word reward. There we go. Let's go into one of these selections. Here we go. Oh, I actually have a video with this one. We have a GIF, more screenshots. So good documentation. I'm happy with this. Next up is a changelog. And I think I saw that on the home page. Here we go. Changelog is right here. We have the ability to search the changelog, which is nice. We have the ability to filter the changelog. Awesome. We have version numbers with dates. That is really, really good stuff. So we see that March 2nd, there was an update. February 20th, there was an update. February 20th, there's another update. February 4th. So we have an active changelog, active development. Really good to see. I think we're good to go. I think we are ready to check out the solution. I'm going to go ahead and keep the docs up in case we need them. Friendly reminder, this is a high-level introduction. This is not a tutorial. We're not going to dive super deep. I'm just going to wing it, and we'll see what happens here, okay? Okay, so with the plugins, all I've done is I've installed and activated the Pro version, and we have, since it's a WooCommerce related plugin, we have to have WooCommerce activated, and we do. So once we do that, we see this points and rewards menu item over here, and we'll go ahead and just click into that actually. Okay, so we are met with, there's a lot going on here, I'm not gonna lie, but we do have a quick setup guide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for you to follow along. I'm just gonna follow the numbers because there's just so much going on here. That's what I would do if I was starting here, okay? So configure rewards, number 1. Let's click on that. That drops us down. We have the ability to set up reward vouchers. So it looks like we have some example vouchers here. Expanding those, we see the different types that we can set, the name, how many points is required to get this voucher, the value voucher amount, the type, whether it's fixed or percentage, is there free shipping, the expiration date, there's template coupons. Let's go ahead and click edit on that. That actually takes us to the post table. So I'm not quite sure what the coupon templates are. Select an existing coupon to use as a template. All coupon settings, minimum spend, product restrictions, usage limits, etc. will be copied. Okay, so I'm not quite sure how to use the templates, but we'll go ahead and move on. How it works. Customers can redeem points for vouchers or free products. Vouchers are automatically created as WooCommerce coupons. Free products are added to cart automatically when redeemed. Rewards appear on the customer account page in rewards widget. Okay. Points discount on checkout. All right. With that enabled, we see the ability to display discount redemption tool on. By default, it's both locations, checkout rewards box, and cart checkout total summary, or you can just put it on cart checkout total summary, or just checkout rewards box. And then down here, you can set the rate for the redemption for the points, change the button for your add discount to cart, change the text color, minimum points per redemptions, maximum points per redemptions, maximum cart percentage points for redemption. So there is a lot of thought put into this, extremely powerful stuff. So that's the rewards. Let's go over to set earning methods. Choose how customers can earn points, order, sign up, referrals, etc. All right, that drops us down and brings us into the ways to earn. Sign up bonus, points for orders. So each of these that you're going to expand, you're going to have different options. Social sharing, referral system, first order bonus, write a review, points for birthdays, daily login bonus, prize wheel. So the gamification is extremely powerful in WordPress. It just is. It's a way to boost your engagement, to get more customers, potential customers interested in what's going on with your e-commerce store. So really, really awesome stuff. Again, we're staying at high level. There's just too much to dive in here. We would be here all day. Maybe we test out one of these before we go. But let's go ahead and move over to add levels and badges. Levels and badges system. Create a tiered loyalty system where customers unlock benefits and exclusive access as they earn more points. All right, we turn that on. And then defaults to what's called a starter level. We can edit that, change the name, change the badge icon. Maybe starter we call it, maybe we go bronze, and we set a badge icon of bronze. Here are the benefits. 1 point per multiplier, no extra benefits. Maybe we set up, and let's go ahead and save our settings. Okay, so that brings us back out. I don't know. I'm not a developer, so I may be speaking out of turn here, but it'd be nice if we just stayed right where we were. Let's edit this next one. Let's call this one silver. We'll just say required points are 5, just making stuff up here. Let's go silver metal. Points multiplier, let's go 2. Again, making stuff up. Benefits, type that in. Just to entice people, type in those benefits. Send email to customer when they level up. That is really cool. You can actually customize the email too. This is insane. Okay. We got bronze, we got silver. Not sure why the badge is in front of this one, but not this one, but that's okay, I think. Save settings. Let's go back. How it works. Customers automatically reach new levels when they accumulate enough points. Higher levels can earn more points per order and for referral bonuses. You can restrict access to specific products and pages by level. Levels are displayed on the customer's account page. And okay. So that is the levels and badge system. You saw all of the options here. Lots going on. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. We already see that clicking these buttons kind of takes you down into these tabs over here on the left, but we're just going to keep using these numbers up here. Open dashboard settings, configure your dashboard. All right, so that did take us down to the next tab. Rewards dashboard settings, show the rewards experience in my account and or on the custom page via a shortcode. Display on my account page. Okay, we can go ahead and open that up. So I'm going to open that in a new tab. Okay, here we go. So this is adding a new endpoint to WooCommerce under my account called rewards. And when we have different tabs down here, earn points, we can claim your vouchers, your levels, your history. This is wild. So it shows that by default, we're coming in at bronze, and you can configure the badge and the name of what this is. Here are the benefits. This is super, super cool. Okay, let's go back. We can display on a custom page. We can choose the page, or we can create a page with a shortcode. We're going to bypass this for now, but we do see the shortcode is created here, but we can select the rewards dashboard page if we want. So I'm thinking we need to do this. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Let's go add page. And this is called, we'll call this custom rewards page. And we're going to drop in the shortcode block, paste in our shortcode, publish, view page on the front end. Here we go. So this is very similar to what it shows in the My Account endpoint. But I want to go back here and see. Let's refresh this page. Here we go. So if I do, okay, so you can select it here. So you don't necessarily, so you put the shortcode in and then you select the page. Okay. And then we can save our settings just in case. Go back. I think the settings autosave. I could be just doing extra steps there. We have a nice convenient link to view the selected page that takes, okay, cool. So we have the My Account version, and then we have our custom page version. There we go. All right. Moving on down, earn points section, earn points text. So you can change that text that appears right here, I guess. Let's test this out. Earn points section, earn points text. You can earn points by completing the following actions. I thought that would appear right here. Now, I'm using the default 2025 WordPress theme. I don't know if that's doing something here, but I would think that would show up here. Earn points section. It could be a theme issue. So we'll go ahead and move on. I'm going to believe in Elliot here and that does work just fine. Redemption section. Redemption text. Convert your earned points into exciting rewards. Yep, here we go. So I think that text is supposed to appear here, and it's maybe a theme issue. Okay, we have all these options: show reward name, reward points. So it's all of the things that we are seeing over here. Let's test one of these out. Show reward. Oh, there's a confetti option. Interesting. Enable confetti animation on redemption. That's a cool feature. Here we go. Points discounts. Trying to think of something that we could hide here. Show remaining. We're just going to assume this is fine, but it's like, it looks like it's a way to customize. It's called claim rewards here, and it's called redemption section here. You can just control what's shown. So I'm going to just move on and go with all those defaults. Points discount section. So that looks like it's right here, points discounts section. Use your points to get an instant discount on your next order. Yeah, so that checks out right there. So you can customize what's shown in there. We'll go ahead and move on. Dashboard header and subheader. So it looks like we've got a placeholder, so a points label, and then it's going to add, pin the word dashboard. So reward points dashboard. Okay, so that's how that is formed. Okay, dashboard subheader text, track your rewards level up and claim exciting benefits. That is this text right here. So that's cool. Very, very customizable as we're seeing. Oh, dark mode. Yes. That is my preference personally. And we do see that the settings automatically change, so that's nice. Show dark mode toggle. And you can also say, show it to me dark mode by default. I'm going to do that. Hide the toggle when dark mode is the default. Yeah, that's great. Apply dark mode to header box. Yeah, give me dark mode everywhere. Let's go back, refresh. There we go. Very nice, very nice. Awesome. Okay, moving on. Theme colors, primary theme color, secondary theme color, accent color. We see that taking hold here. That green, for example, we could change right here at this accent color. Let's go ahead and move on. Dashboard tabs. So you can control which of these tabs appear. Let's go ahead and remove the history or just temporarily hide it. You can also like rearrange it here by dragging them around. We're going to hide the history. Let's refresh. And we see that history goes away. Okay, so fine tune those to your liking. That was the rewards dashboard. And I think we covered everything there. Yes, we did. Okay, back up to the top. That was the dashboard. View analytics. Let's click on that button. Okay, so that one took us somewhere else. That brought us back to or over to our reports and analytics. All right, so this is going to be, obviously we are logged in as the admin. We can apply a date range, totals earned, totals redeemed, net points, activities, active customers, top earners, top redeemers. So you can keep track here. This is a nice thing. Maybe send a really nice note or even an incentive to your top earners. So that's really cool. You can also see the top redeemers. Referral statistics, top referrals by points in the range. Wow, this is just super, super powerful stuff. And then you've got all this stuff up here at the top. Okay, all right. Let's go back to the root of points, simple points and rewards. So we've gone through all of these 1 through 5. We did not look at the checkout box tab. So let's go ahead and close some of this stuff down. Let's go to our cart. So this is the mini cart. Let's just go to the full cart page. So here we start to see some things, your rewards points, how many points you have, and then you can click this redeem. Let's click redeem. Once you do that, shows all of our available rewards or any discounts we have for ourselves. And then here are the vouchers. Okay, going back here, our checkout box, you can control what is here. So we can show more stuff. We can change the redeem button text. We can change the theme settings. So maybe we want to go compact, change our primary theme color or our secondary accent color. Let's go ahead and refresh. We changed it to compact. Okay, so that compacts things. Let's click redeem rewards. Good stuff. All right. And we can add, remove stuff here. Let's go to, we see more here. Let's go default, compact. Okay, I just saw the theme style. We can go light mode or we can go dark mode. There we go. Very, very cool. Let's go over to the general settings tab. Rewards label we can change, points label we can change, product pages, points display. Show points on product pages. All right, let's check that out. So here's our product page. I think we are opting to show points here. Let's go back. Product summary after price is the default, and you have all of these different options of where to place the points display. You've got different placeholders, points label, and so on. You can change the message, change the text color. Let's see. I feel like I should be seeing something here. Do we have to go into the product to do anything? I don't think so. Nope, I don't think so. Points pages, points display, show points on product pages. It could be a theme issue. Let's go appearance and themes. Let's put in a more WooCommerce centric theme. So we're going to activate storefront. And let's go refresh here. I'm still not seeing it. I'm missing it. Customer rewards page, my account. Show points on product pages. Maybe it's because I don't have any points. Let's try it. Let's change the positions here. Yeah, I'm not sure. I must be missing something. After entire product, let's try that. Okay, we'll go ahead and move on. I must just be missing something here. Could be again a theme issue. Could be before add to cart button. Let's try one more. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Okay, we'll go ahead and move on. Show points on category and shop product listings. Okay. So I'm guessing if you like, all right, so enable that. I'm not sure what they mean by, so I guess it's on the shop page. Let's close some of this stuff down. All right, so where were we? Show points on category shop product listings. Link points to the terms and conditions. Enable terms and conditions. When enabled, a terms and conditions link will be displayed at the bottom of the rewards dashboard that opens a pop-up to your custom terms. Okay, so you can customize all of this. Let's see if we can get that to show up in our account. So this is our rewards dashboard. When enabled, a terms and conditions link will be displayed at the bottom of the rewards dashboard. All right, let's go to our like regular dashboard page and see if it's in there. Could it be because we don't have, let's see, terms and conditions, that's our link, show on rewards dashboard, show in the widgets. We've got some settings there for the text. Generate from current settings. This generates a basic template based on your current plugin settings. Okay, that's a really cool feature. But I have the terms here. We've got, that's the reason. Okay, that's my bad. All right, let's go. Let's do terms. We'll just call this, just for short, we'll go terms. And we will go into, we're bouncing around here, so I apologize. We're going to go WooCommerce settings, and we're going to go to advanced, and we're going to choose our terms page. I think that's what's happening. Now let's refresh our rewards page here. All right. We have our terms specified. That shouldn't be a problem. Let's go back to points and rewards, general settings. One more time. When enabled, a terms and conditions link will be displayed at the bottom of the rewards dashboard that opens a pop-up to your custom terms. Let's do this. Let's go shop. Let's add this product to the cart, view cart. That's all good. That's all good. Let's go to checkout. Let's just make sure our terms are actually working. Here's our terms and conditions link. So that's fine. That's all good. So I'm not sure why we're not seeing it here. Oh, wait, here it is right here. There it is. Okay. So again, when you're dealing with different themes, you got to take that into account. So that is there. So I'm glad I actually found that. There it is. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. That is that. Let's go ahead and move on. Glad we stuck with that. That was general settings. Let's go to email notifications. You can send emails on earned points, and then you can fully customize that. You can send emails on a per type, claimed vouchers, points inactivity expiry reminders. And then you've got all of these different placeholders down here to build your emails. Let's go to short codes. You have different types of short codes, whether it's the rewards UI, the points and levels, the referrals. So just tons of options. Video's already running kind of long, so we are going to just kind of blow through this. But just know you can do all kinds of short codes for the rewards UI, points and levels, and referrals. And drop, obviously with short codes, you can drop those anywhere. And then you've got the optional attributes here. Let's go ahead and move on to points expiration. Control how vouchers, rewards, and points expire or are cleaned up automatically. Okay. Points inactivity expiration, reset points after a period of inactivity. So we can set that however many days, reminder, send them an email, certain number of days in advance. You can do that. Show inactivity notice on the rewards dashboard. You can customize the text, the message. Voucher expirations. You can set that. It's in days. Delete vouchers after use if you want. Delete expired vouchers automatically. Reward expiry. You can automatically delete expired rewards if you want. Referral coupons. Enable referral gift coupons. So when you're sending somebody like a friend, you're like, hey, you should go check this out. You can send them a coupon that they can use on their purchase. You can show coupon gift offer on a cart page. Show coupon gift order on the checkout page. gift offer settings. You've got different templates. I still don't understand the templates, and that could be something I'm doing wrong. Let's edit this coupon template. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this time it did bring us into an actual coupon. Before, it brought us into the post table. I wonder if that was because we used the default WordPress 2025 theme and not storefront. I wonder if that's why. Maybe it is. But this is where you can configure your coupon. Now this makes sense. So over here, you are configuring your coupon template. Okay, offer type percentage, discount. What is that percentage? You can do free shipping if you want instead. So all these different parameters that you can do. Expiration settings, restrictions, restrict on first order only if you want. Usage limits, coupon tracking settings, strict mode, require referral link, hybrid mode, allow manual entries, flexible mode, track all usage. So it looks like you can only use one or the other here. Make your choice. Gift widget, enable a floating gift widget. You can change where it appears on the screen. Widget, the widget color, the widget message. You can personalize the message based on the referral's first name. So let's enable that. Where do you want to place it? On the right. Again, the colors. So this is going to say the referral gift widget appears for customers when they click on a referral link, allowing them to easily claim their offer coupon. Super, super cool. Then there's a rewards widget. Enable a floating rewards widget. So again, where do you want to place it? The size, the primary color, what's the widget icon, what's the text, the tab titles, referral tab titles, levels tab titles, claim tab title. All these different display options. You want to do dark mode for that too. Default to dark mode. And just a ton and ton. This is way to go, Elliot. This is a crazy powerful solution. Pro features. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we do have the pro version. Again, this video is running long already, so we are just going to rattle off all of these. This is just this is like you could do a whole course on this, a whole series, I should say, on this. Conditional rules. Create advanced rules to control when points are earned or redeemed based on cart contents, products, categories, user roles, purchase history, and more. Floating rewards widget, which we kind of briefly touched on. We also briefly touched on a floating gift widget. There's the referral coupons, the unlimited rewards, unlimited levels and badges, first order bonuses, the nth order bonuses, write a review so you can get rewarded for writing a review, birthday rewards, multi-currency support. That's just turned on by default when you have Pro. Automatic points expiration is automatically turned on with Pro. Obviously, when you turn some of these on, it's going to give you more settings. Okay, let's go back over here. Reward expiration is automatically turned on for Pro. Voucher expiration coupons automatically turned on for Pro. There's different settings. Auto delete used vouchers. You can turn on in their settings for Pro. Auto delete expired vouchers. Auto delete expired rewards. So this actually was, we actually did see this over here in the various settings. So some of this is turned on by default, some you have to turn on, and some have the individual settings. So we actually, now that I'm looking at this, we went through all of that stuff. This is just giving this, all of this, the Pro stuff in a nice area for you to look at to see what's with Pro specifically. But we actually went through all of that. Okay, guys, this was a lot. This is actually it right here. Actually, some of that Pro stuff. You toggle this stuff on, then you've got settings for all of this. This is extremely powerful. This is actually, dare I say, in all my years of WordPress, this is probably the most powerful points and reward system solution I've ever seen, and it's not even close. And it's just unbelievable. All right, guys. Like I said, this video has gone long. If you've stuck with me this long, thank you. Thank you, Elliot, again, for being a partner of Real IWP. Appreciate you very much. This is a super amazing, powerful plugin. Again, if you like what you've seen in this video, hopefully I've done it some justice. InfluenceWP.com. Go to the deals area, grab your exclusive offer for simple points and rewards for WooCommerce. Thank you, and I will see you all in the next video.